This point-of-care COVID-19 antibody rapid test kit was developed by Celix, a U.S. biotechnology company, distributed by HealthDatix, a U.S. healthcare technology company, and has received FDA emergency use authorization. Per FDA regulations, the test can only be administered by a healthcare provider. The test is self-contained, no lab equipment required. It screens both symptomatic and asymptomatic individuals. The test is easy to administer and provides accurate results in just 15 minutes. So, let's get started. This is your Celix COVID-19 Antibody Rapid Test Kit. Please read the package insert carefully before use. The kit contains cassettes, pipettes, and buffer. Allow contents to come to room temperature before testing. Remove the test cassette from the sealed pouch when you're ready to administer. Do not open it early. Place cassette on a clean, level surface. Collect serum, plasma, or venous whole blood specimen. Draw a sample into the pipette. Hold the pipette vertically and transfer 1 drop of blood into the well labeled as S. Immediately add 2 drops of buffer to the well. Results should read between 15 to 20 minutes. Do not read results after 20 minutes. The control line, C line, must appear to validate test. If the C line does not appear, discard cassette and test again. The C line plus the G line indicates positive for IgG antibodies. The C line plus the M line indicates positive for IgM antibodies. All 3 lines, C plus G plus M, indicate positive for both IgG and IgM antibodies. A negative result will be indicated by only the C line. Please note, it is possible for an infection to not be detected under some circumstances. For instance, in the case of a very recent infection, the antibodies may not have sufficiently developed to be detected. And that's it. Easy, fast, and accurate testing for COVID-19 antibodies.